Yo guys, Alpha Zenith, back here today with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you, I'm not going to be showing you anything really, it's going to be an update video. So, where have I been for the past month or so? I've had been dealing with schoolwork, I've been on holiday for 2 weeks. It's just been hectic. So, it's just been like loads of stuff. So today, a couple days ago, I got Lucky Patcher. Pretty simple, but now I get in-app purchases for free. So, I'm going to show you an example of this. So let's turn on Pixel Car Racer. Don't ring tone, I want my volume. I want volume! Here we go. Start. Welcome back, AZ. Log in. No, I don't want to log in with Facebook. It's silly. So as you can see, 65 crates. Not really normal. Only thing bad about this, it doesn't hack money. I just found it, spoiler. Forgot about that. So yeah. Oh yeah? Do you want to watch this? Want to watch this? Crates. In-app purchase attack. You want to try and get this item for free? I don't want to do any of these actually. So yeah, click gas. Sound. Yeah. Purchase received. Oh, whoa. Okay, that was awkward. Bought no ads. Just gonna buy some diamonds. There we go. So this episode's gonna be a crate opening. Okay, just first of all, I'm gonna show you my car first, and then we're gonna jump into a quick race. Look at this. Look at it. It's beautiful. Oh, what? Look at it though. Look how it's sick. Look how good this is. Like, okay, I'm not gonna do anything like this. Oh, so yeah, we're just gonna jump into one race and then I'm gonna do some crate openings. Listen to that. I think it's a KB25. I think it's called that. I'm gonna do a mile race. I like doing it. I haven't done a rain race yet. Just gonna do a rain race. Turn down a bit. Here we go. Just listen to it. It's beautiful. Okay, let's go. Nos! Work Nos! Yeah, look at that! Woo! Oh, I thought there was a little bit left. Okay, I've already broken the dial. So, oh my goodness, this is amazing. Just look how fast it goes. Going to try and break my high score for top speed. Can I hit 200? Come on. 200, 21, 22, 203, 204, 204. Oh! Woo! Alright then. 204 miles per hour. Wow. That's quite a lot. Yeah. That's pretty fast. So yeah, we're gonna do the opening of that. How do we get to it? There we go. Well, how far am I in the video? Oh! Okay, 4 minutes. Nice, nice. Oh! Nothing to see there. SSM SP1s. Most of the stuff I get in this now is just wheels. It's like really annoying. But like these, because like you're a lower level, you don't get cash as often. Like the prices are lower because highest I've got so far was 20k, and I've just been getting 15s other than that. Yeah, so I think like the higher level you are, I don't know if you're getting just hooks, toe hooks, and just like rubbish really. See, this is stuff I'm getting. Like, okay, I take back what I say. Whoa, 60k. No, well, I'm saving up to. I might save up to get a Rocket Bunny kit on this, but that's probably silly. I should save up for like get a good car maybe. So yeah. Also, that's so good. Like, yeah. So my next video is going to like how to hack Lucky Patcher apps and everything. So yeah. Like how to hack Lucky Patcher. How. Oh, the money's starting. It's starting. Oh, it's starting. Oh, okay. That was a bit of a letdown. I think we're starting to get money a lot more often then. That's 60k then. Oh, that was quite. That blew my mind a bit. Oh, I don't want to keep on getting the same seats. I have about 4 of them now. I don't want to get ugly wheels as well. They're disgusting. Well, that's my opinion, but. I've already got a silver paint. It doesn't even look nice on my car, just blue, it suits my car. Why do I need a spare wheel? Oh yay, an exhaust I got earlier. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to be doing all of these, mind, so like, yeah. I'm going to do like a part 2. Oh, that was good. Oh my gosh. Oh, VX slams. Oh, that's good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. SSM1, SSM, SP1 neons. Oh, that's just a lot of letters. Tremble stars. Oh my goodness, it's like nothing. SSM, SP1s again. It's still cash, so I'm not bothered. Surfboard. Just what you want. Drag racing car, isn't it? Do love a surfboard. On my drag. SLs! Where is it? It's not going to be here, is it? These are just hooks, but yeah. Oh, Tune? Yeah, it's in tune. What do these look like? I don't actually like those. What is... Okay, that doesn't look half bad. SL Jones, SIL. Ooh, that doesn't look bad. How shall we? 140, how shall we? And I prefer the right bit in the middle, yeah. Yeah, I call it exhaust because the exhaust is just... Shoot, wait, I'll just check one more thing. Is it in customization? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm good. Stop messing about. Come on. Back to the crates. And I get greeted back with those. Like, honestly. What can be read? Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'm gonna... okay. I'm gonna have to leave it there because we're going quite far into the video. So yeah, that's gonna be part 1. So my next video is coming like straight out after this. It's gonna be how to hack games in Lucky Patcher. How to download Lucky Patcher. Gonna put the APK file down below. simple to install. So yeah, that's Alfie Zenith Part 1 going off.